Okay, on this soffit fasteners, here's the one fastener for the bottom. It just goes into a stud here. It comes out of the floor. I guess I lost the other one somewhere. And I'm looking for this thing. It's all moved around from the carpeting, from this thing being off for so long. And you can just, there it goes, screw that fastener back on there with your fingers almost. There's probably a special tool for putting that fastener on, but your fingers will work if it's already loose. You can also maybe put a Phillips screwdriver in there, but it's not advisable. And for the top fasteners, these are just simply tiny little innocent Phillips screws that you can guide in here and get everything done. So that's in 3 steps how to remove and replace your soffit to access the parking brake mechanism, and put the screws back in and tighten it up and you're good to go. Okay, well, there's the screws you got to take out and the fasteners in the bottom to remove this whole soffit to access your parking brake mech. Actually, I probably could have done it without taking it apart, except the wires were missing for the parking brake. There's the OBD2 connector. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.